Ken Ofori Atta the first person in this Fourth Republic was born my Ghana Chrono under the guise of Obutain. Okoje native Fosika. You can Google it. If you run in Sabemo, say or no by the sisi adan ama pensioners and not pensioners. $12 million. Then $12 million. Ken Ofori Atta.
And yes, Ikaba Rollins
time.
$12 million.
Such a criminal. Now we not buy for to stand for because a your cousin. Now the baby. Obaye, the first deal or year we Ghana ha, a Franklin templating. Bond that was signed What is here? They are good in court. Ken Ofori Atta, we a motor for a wrong name some, and like you said, that benum, and na pamfo, ahwehwem.
Some lankasa ho.
And somewhere a war a chair or tree a woo, sika. That is why I was telling you every day, sir. Akufo Addo cannot account for 10% of monies they accrued from 2017 to 2025 January. Omudia Benyanima, Omampeni Mahama. They can't account for 10%. Anuntina, they be a dear con, from making sure say, Ora, Medjumana, Omoyano, and I have proffered a lot of your friend is saying ideas say a crime and the first way you bet me who says say na kodinko for no because it's a national security threat to have such huge sums with a certain family and friends. Now say dollar ya can once me wouldn't so much share say every dollar no chi dollar fee system send a dollar and be kwa twe wouldn't say na buy and India war ya and dollar no kwa twe na say yes, that is the family and friend for you. I look to make a change this by say omo money now what is abo na mo nyini kwafo ne campaign na mo put to their feet to the fire of accountability. Because the best way to know your losses and say sika say and a free January 2017 to January 2025 Akufo Addo ni Bawumia ban akonfo ban no mo je Uria sika say na mo de bo man ne wo bra mo se mo di akwan no mo ma quantity surveillance nko ho yo susu akwan do mo ye mo di bi si agenda 111 mo mi enkohwe agenda 111 no yo surveillance ho mo di bi ye quantity surveillance ho mo di bi ye enoma bebre enoma mo di ye no yan quantify ni nyina ni hu how much in terms of money and almost spending here. So what is says Ghana almost spending with Ghana who feel 10%. They have more than 90% with them. So on that score, if you want to find out how much money Ghana has lost to their family and friends, decentralize the amount of money they have taken. John Mahama, what the 54 billion a boom, every region had something. Even when you decentralize the fiscal policy, you can find something in every region. Other than that, there are regions that didn't have anything under Akufo Addo.
Serious.
Acquire John Mahama, can you say same of Akufo Addo? All that money is with them. Nothing to show. So that is why I say it's a national security threat. So moving forward, the best way, the investigation and the auditing must be done. They should conduct a national audit between 2017 and 2025 January. Then they are able to appreciate how much money Ghana has lost to the family that was led by Akufo Addo and Ken Ofori Atta and their friends. PDS yanka ho asem. Se mutimi beji o mayaja pade ECG. Na mo dia gi Ghana fosika for bosome nwotwe. Oyeni wa koto prepaid na mumu wa jiska na semu botom under the guise of PDS say yato na Bawumia ene koye sa your friend is saying from bank guarantee to insurance guarantee ene Bawumia na ye Bawumia na kwasa na sa koye sa me se me man kola duma nipa 100,000 duma
NAPO
na Bawumia corruption. Me one person, I'm very serious in life. Normally I wouldn't discuss fools and the lines, and it's just for the sake say a topic. Ordinarily, I would rather have wished say a topic in the best son. Nan Kayaka and your papa or Ramahama.
And yeah, president in your papa in a home almost so case.
Now, say,
what a call him.
It sounds say, would there be two Jana? I was saying the discussion.
Yes.
I'm compelled. First of all, say, Nyansa, Ujimia, what must say?
Sisubium.
Say Nyansani, Nyansa, Ujimia, say Afenyo Markins, on any domino, San Comini Nyansa, Combos, or Majimipa. What must say? Walking IMF no. Now, Casse, a IMF $10 ejina baby ejina tina inflation ejina baby ejina enye mo na mo de yakọ IMF so adenti na mo ho na IMF wo ho no $90 ma me bu baby adri eno na ye ka se woni nyansa obi nso wagimi pa what must say because mo na mo de yakọ IMF mo ni aban a mo ba aban mu no na owura mahama e de yakọ IMF mo ba ye no mo beto IMF no so Musa Frabemuno, Musa Diako IMF, the most useless government ever to have been in this country. There is none like that uselessness in this world. Why won't me show? Who bano, na IMF. Who extended IMF no? Who constitutional? Who said IMF? You have the gut. The useless ones. To talk. Unfair, unni shame. And then what you do want to trauma yourself. Or my boy me come yourself. Obi a yeti man we mu na yade aba obi esu printing kwa we wiase we mu enu megu amafo ho kwa hwie nipa ho tire won nipa printing kwa osime de yare na aba no Mijra yare no so dia gemoto e de COVID tax e Ghana ha. You have the guts.
Very serious
to speak in this country just because you will be a fair democracy. Kwasia to mikasa. Kwasia to mikasa. Nanya said we were TB. Any day ube be ready on TV ube who any people the Ghanaian gets infuriated the more. It will be a month. Now, you could try about next one. No, mean that 28%. I am person made do a kroma. Because the more they speak, the more they anger the streets, and the more they decline. So they should keep up. It's good. At least democracy allows for any fool or any idiot to speak. They say, "Come in, Nyansa, come in, so much Jimipa. Come in, so much Jimipa, papa." Oman we are yetimi for the first time in the history of this country who do we see to phone so a person will transmit this channel from one phone to the other Mahamadu Bawumia na musimu ya digitization the first person that introduced digitization in this country proper Mahama even as communication minister on a yes, I had met him with baby and I make her say
yes.
When I do mobile phone bag on her. Or no more than once for him. Or no go fiber optics bag on how I money once for him. Your mama time let me Uber. I hear Juma. Uber no munam Bawumia Manukrum.
Wally.
I want to know free. And no muna GPS no. Everybody Uber no I won't cry her. Musimuna bibia de tamu na be buy interoperability John Mahamadu president for the first time no now we send it from MTN to Tigo we anya da bia
sa
we call space to space for and I say for vendors you are no omo service come on and na den he da bia na Sebi, se mini na nebie mu a me na na man kunu mi o ntino ama meni mesi bofo atu na so da asema da bia na me kaya odi tumfo de se Kweku Annan nyansa dodo ene na odi nyansa bo na furu so so odi kofu dua ne bante kuma ntekuma kula ketwa o o jina sa o se papa de de nka de bo wachi a eni nyansa ne ba ku no waja no fomo no
sa
na ene internet nti okwase ni ayeden ate ama atrosem kana siti kwan so enada me fese bua kwan so e dia gitumi eni hobio kwase ni ate ama agro na gu agro a eye kutuma me hwe oto agro se me kodin tro ato aban so ene do mama inflation na ekpedi eduna no it's having a positive impact on the Ghanaian society anya biano for the first time yen discuss depreciation of the cedi bien yen appreciation of the cedi
appreciation de bia
and then yen discuss the decline in the furniture goods and services prices meboa and then enwama na kane no the turn abodin eba form na say adoba for ebi adanse say car koba krampo no we bo aba form battery we bo aba form all because of dollar. So we are import driven economy. Now we be a we no eye amanoni e na wo kra nyoma ebe yisu o mai mu a eye sika wo di kwato nyoma wa amanoni ho enkomo ne yedie
sa
na sa sika na na gina brand ntino ene amafo ko China ba wa last year when we are not in China for the first time. I can even use my mom. For 8 years, I think just about 4 trips per.
Oh,
8 years.
4 trips.
When she could do that in a year, every quarter. Every quarter. And Kawani container bia quarter bia the only container every times 4 years.
About 8.
Say no, the whole of the 8 years no when you container 4. The whole of the 8 years when you container 4.
Wow.
You have the guts. Just 1 year or when you container more than 9. You have the guts. Kwaja di 4 de ko busa Afenyo Markin. Everything na Bible kan o mebusa mo etrensia yinusia. Okwadi 4 ko abwantati ya ho. Ko suama kwan no hu nyansa. So the bad politics mu a MPP for enkwasi afro sabi. With the sabi na she ho say me mu ofakofo ka ho na Nyankopon enkana kuma. Onka ho.
Ti sabi enkwasi afro no.
Entina ni say okwadi for MPP mu. Ko enkatie nyansani Yohani suboni John Mahama ho. Ko suama kwan no hu nyansa. O the bad politics mu a sa na ebe ye no ebe Yohani sempa etire a etoso mienu enu na John Mahama wonu yimu a okọ ne prensa so no eho ne ya kire se okwadufo MPP ni ko osuboni Yohani John Mahama ho ko sua na kwan na hu nyansa na hu nyansa ujimi a ubehu now press conference now we are nyansa bebem obi ko na wakwa bienia ko ba ko homa na the stewardship at the judiciary no ayekrabehwe se na ebe ya onkototo papa so na wonye armchair leader. Afenyo Markin is an armchair leader. Where does he go to? He doesn't even visit the markets to understand the scope of what is really pertaining. Okwadufo Afenyo Markin leader of the minority ko onyansani majority leader ho Mahama Yarega ho ko suama kwan no hu nyansa yedi leader wey oso dachi o pese be man pani wey ko before wey na say wey be man pani a na we class prefect crowd the man say obeba na nkula wo nyina say bi o ma boko wey obedi minority ani hwe eko a members abo wey this very useless one and then he has the guts. And the funti, meaning tank as a baby, because Enkulano or Mobano, they understand governance better than they used to. Yeah, you know, yeah, Bensono, no way be a new. And you know, Asano is always shaded in secrecy. But then, just at the click of a button, a Korabian in the Domahama the crap. Because TikTok, Krabbe can't say, and the Domahama, where did you my way, where did you my way, where did you my way? And where you are by ye, and me say, and then an answer. Confess so therefore, and it's and then the Ghana Police Service. Wasa no money be and the Akufo Addo free Saddam Paribe or money be for the first time. Oh my the morale of the police service is high. The morale of the Ghana Armed Forces is high. No crap. Me kai na me kai we Mahama say. Adan bi a yesi ewo Bema camp yenu. Asoda fo hu adan. Oma eye memia e friend is saying Boja Gyamfi. Enkohwe adan no o ma wie bibia ka nsuo akwa bia yeso de ni wo ho magini di aba bebo yo wona ehwe dan no so engineer no ye bebo so wo se wo no se otiase ya onda ye pani wo yi won fa nsuo nko dan ni do mahama wadi wo de tree e ne ya ne dia o de se wo no wo ye pipini anti kaka bi na o ka anti wo keka bi gu de na o ka monko edan no ni no ya ready ka se na yemfa dan ni adwuma akeka dear maybe AC hwe baby Adom Hamadi o mane ko unim say he has just put ignition in place on farm to first year we give a crown now start here and o master start so they are neutral and your mumra meji petrol nko shepo because your mama una sha simple we what the proper in predwaye or the shared drive they are not thing. So onya the shared drive and now the shared first year. MPP agu. Now onya start here kwa MPP agu. And the press conference every 1 hour. Abeka every minute bia 1 minute bia na press conference. And His Excellency ko PM so Thanksgiving or custom on say yanke kan sambo. Papa je ni nemu aso de. What you say because Adwina dem team no the bia no I na a coming kunanka people would encounter John Mahama and know the kind of person he is. Keke. Like here me test you ha enye dede. E mu kofa sun and tell who John Mahama is. Just encounter him and now I can see say he is really availing himself a lot more for people to encounter him and have a feel of him. Why governance is simple. And then you go to the time. And you pom fe or hini sorry bet yame. What you are not to form. It's a Domama creature now say on one. And yes, I read the Obi and then appear to baby may bow. Only be traffic chakra. No, I do. Almost I do fully trying to selfie. Come running short to be only there one servant leadership. Come on, by Papa. And you know, MPP, let's see. They say petrol buy for 4. You the good saying na. They say petrol you the good sir. Ah yes. They say so. Say videos in aba. Bibia hawa. Who dey to petrol? Me was scam me be to petrol amomo. Omo me diska. No mo ko to petrol. Na me am to petrol ne momo. No mo ko shase no mo shepu. Because nya de omo kan yetie. Se nko mu ni nyansa nka memu a mu bu no enfie nwatwe atwa mu no. Komba be pagana for cha umfele komi di su ene mpintin kwa be pagana for cha abanya wo akokra ni abre wadi ni sika abo obusia o se mafa o se me aban no mafa na ada me aban no mepe na metua wo ka wa wo sika afewu Ken Ofori Atta na odi mu anim no na Ken Ofori Atta so say na ko American embassy. Say, Kopin so beba ya picketing. We are on the hot. Kwabena media me say no, we are on a halt.
Okay.
On a halt because we say
just Friday most of me say
yeah submit a petition.
Okay.
Now a petition no tiawa. In the first place, he didn't qualify to be the finance minister. When we say obia or ye otwea me to e wo tax heavy mu obekai Suhumi Alhassan Suhumi ana obusa sa question no vetting time I vetting Ken Ofori Atta say e dienti ena Ken Ofori Atta we saving the sika wo tax heavy mu nanso so obedi the to wo Ghana ha as photosamfo we di nya no. That was the beginning of the crisis. Ken Ofori Atta is the first person in this Fourth Republic who bought my Ghana chrono under the guise of Obutain. Okojes native Fosika. You can Google it. If you run in Sabemo, say or no by the Sisi Adan ama pensioners and not pensioners. $12 million. Then $12 million. Ken Ofori Atta.
And yes, Ikaba Rollins
time.
$12 million.
Such a criminal. Now we not buy for to stand for because a your cousin. Now the baby. Or buy the first deal or year we Ghana ha a Franklin templating. Bond or sign What is here they are good in court? Ken Ofori Atta we a motor for a wrong name some and like you said that benum ene napamfo ahwehwem
sem lankasa ho
and somewhere wo no a chain otwe ehunu sika ahobawia no. That is why I was telling you every day say Akufo Addo cannot account for 10% of monies they accrued from 2017 to 2025 January. Omudia Benjamin Ma Omampeni Mahama. They can't account for 10%. Anuntina debia yedi akon work from making sure say ora na djuma na omoye no ombeye ni yie. And I have proffered a lot of your friend saying ideas say kwan be na be for so e betimi ahu se sika say na akodi nkofo ne ho because it's a national security threat to have such huge sums with a certain family and friends. Now say dollar ya kan wa semi uni so mu ko sia say mu e di dollar no e twi omu dollar fee system mu se ne dollar ho be kwa atwe uni say say nya ban e na emu de wo ya e ka dollar no ho kwa atwe na nzen ya. Yes, that is the family and friend for you. And look to make a change this aban say omu ma omani na what is abo wo na mo nyini kwafo ne campaign na mo put their feet to the fire of accountability. Because the best way to know your losses and say sika say and a free January 2017 to January 2025 Akufo Addo ni Bawumia ban akonfo ban no mo giye uwia sika say na mo de bo man ne wo bra mo se mo di akwan no mo ma quantity surveillance nko ho ye susu akwan do mo yeye mo di bi si agenda 111 mo mi enko hwe agenda 111 no ye wo surveillance wo ho quantity surveillance wo ho mudi bi here enoma bebre nyoma mudi here no yan quantify ni nyina ni hu how much in terms of money and almost spending here. So what is says can almost spending wo Ghana who feel 10%, they have more than 90% with them. So on that score, if you want to find out how much money Ghana has lost to their family and friends, decentralize the amount of money they have taken. John Mahama, or the 54 billion a boom, I know. Every region had something. Even when you decentralize the fiscal policy, you can find something in every region. Other than that, there are regions that didn't have anything under Akufo Addo.
Serious.
Acquire John Mahama, can you say same of Akufo Addo? All that money is with them. Nothing to show. So that is why I say it's a national security threat. So moving forward, the best way. The investigation and the auditing must be done. They should conduct a national audit between 2017 and 2025 January. then they are able to appreciate how much money Ghana has lost to the family that was led by Akufo Addo and Ken Ofori Atta. And their friends. PDS yanka ho asem. Se mutimi beji o mayeja pade ECG. Na mo de agi Ghana for sika for bosome nwotwe. Ohiani wa koto prepaid na mo mu agiska na semu botom. Under the guise of PDS. Say yato na Bawumia ena koye sa your friend is saying from bank guarantee to insurance guarantee. Any Bawumia na ye. Bawumia na kwasa no sa koye sa me say me man kwala djuma nipa 100,000 djuma
NAPO na
Bawumia corruption
NAPO
and omudi na Bawumia corruption no evia o my way o man fa nipa 20,000 djuma po nipa 80,000 no times 700 per month ayesen
omudi omuka 6 months and omudi ko.
So when we are talking about these people
100 criminals,
it looks like the NDC is treating them with kids gloves.
oh yes.
I don't think no one of kasa. Any question can people need to be an Ghana with this multitudes of any war, bunch of any war. Any question come to be a man of Ghana.
I agree with you.
At the end, this is for some diabo. I was here. You are treating them with case gloves. By now, I think I people can run for cover because it is a criminal organization that needs to be scrapped in this country. I'm a boy for it will be a man of Kasa. Ghana.
Mameda say listen and napoku.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.